How to use JSTOR. JSTOR is a platform giving access to journal articles, books, images and primary sources in 75 disciplines. JSTOR can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the J tab. Type your search term in the search box. As you type, options of where to search will appear. Choose one or click on the magnifying glass to search everything. You can sort the results by relevance or publication date. You can filter the results by searching within the results, by content type, by publication date, or by subject. The default setting is to only show content you can access. You can download the document, save the document. This will require you to set up a free personal account. Either register for one or log in with Microsoft. You can also get the citation of the document for your bibliography. Click on the title to read the document online. You can get the permanent link to the article, get the publication details about the article, get the table of contents. For a book chapter, this appears as a separate drop-down. Jump to where the search term appears in the document. See other JSTOR items that cite this article. See related text or see related images. You can get the citation, share the document to social media or email, save the document or download it. You can zoom in and out of the document, fit it to the height of the reading pane, search within the document, or view it in the full screen. You can browse the content by subject, by title, by collections, or by images. You can see any documents you've saved by going to your workspace. You can organise your documents by creating folders and then selecting the documents and moving them to the folder. Help on searching and using JSTOR can be found by clicking on the question mark at the top of the screen and choosing Get Support from the drop-down menu.